Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please guys, if this is your first time coming across my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you. Today I will be talking about the Star Life series You Have My Heart July 2025 full teasers in English. Tuesday, July 1st, 2025. Tista decides to end her marriage with Victor, ignoring Anuja's plea to give him another chance. Meanwhile, Arjun declines to let Pritha stay in his home. Victor mocks Pritha for failing to win over Arjun. Later, Deepa confides in Ahona about the reality of her fake marriage to Arjun. Wednesday, July 2nd, 2025. After seeing Pritha's regret, Deepa takes her back to Arjun's house. Tista pledges to shield Arjun's family from Pritha's scheming. She informs Prabir that Pritha knows about Victor's mistreatment. Deepa later confronts Pritha after realizing her true motives. Thursday, July 3rd, 2025. Mishka demands Deepa tell her where Sergio is. Deepa is devastated after discovering a video showing Rupa and Shona being abducted. Mishka uses this to blackmail Deepa for Sergio's location and then shoots Arjun in the arm while he's rescuing the kids. Friday, July 4th, 2025. Deepa rushes Arjun to the hospital after he's shot, while Pritha fakes concern about his condition. The family later throws a grand celebration for Arjun's recovery. Pritha is caught eavesdropping on Deepa and Arjun's private talk, but is stopped by Saranjan. Saturday, July 5th, 2025. Mishka's odd behavior frustrates the police, while Pritha is determined to uncover the truth behind Deepa and Arjun's marriage. She listens in on their conversation and finds out it's a sham. Meanwhile, Arjun plans a birthday surprise for Deepa. Sunday, July 6, 2025. Deepa is overjoyed when Labonio, Joy, and Ermi visit unexpectedly on her birthday, and Arjun proposes marriage to her. Labonio is furious at Joy for wanting to take Shona and Rupa. Deepa seeks Labonio's advice on marrying Arjun. Monday, July 7th, 2025. Labonio claims Shona and Rupa are Sergio's biological daughters. Meanwhile, Pritha tries to fool Deepa and Arjun in order to take over the institute. Arjun questions if Labonio is testing his sincerity and assures her he will respect Shona and Rupa's wishes. Tuesday, July 8, 2025. Pritha gets angry when Victor accuses her of having criminal tendencies. Joy is upset to see Deepa again. Deepa is taken aback by Arjun's singing performance and he promises to care for Shona and Rupa. Wednesday, July 9, 2025. Deepa defends herself when a teacher judges her personal life. She then boldly dares Joy to marry Arjun using her own money. Meanwhile, Pritha schemes to stop their wedding. Ermi is livid when Joy gets drunk and argues with Deepa. Thursday, July 10th, 2025. Deepa gets emotional when Anuja insults her, and Pratik apologizes for Anuja's behavior. Deepa opens up to Anuja about losing the contest and asks Joy and Anuja why they hold resentment against her. Friday, July 11th, 2025. A job offer fills Deepa with hope about her future with Arjun, but Pritha fakes a heart attack to stop their wedding. Deepa confronts Pritha after discovering her act, and Pritha declares Deepa unworthy of Arjun. Saturday, July 12th, 2025. Pritha gets teary when Arjun addresses her as mother. Deepa reflects on her harsh words and quietly leaves with Shona and Rupa. The kids plan to reveal their whereabouts to Arjun. Arjun is heartbroken over Deepa's decision to leave him. Sunday, July 13, 2025. The workers at Harya Industries appreciate Deepa's kindness when she returns her salary for their benefit. Labonio scolds Joy for trying to stir up trouble. Prabir comforts Labonio during her emotional breakdown. Later, Labonio gives Deepa jewelry during the engagement. Monday, July 14th, 2025. Preparations for Arjun and Deepa's wedding are in full swing. Meanwhile, Pritha and Victor plot to take over Arjun's wealth. Shona and Rupa help organize the pre-wedding customs, but Pritha and Victor trap Deepa in their plan. Tuesday, July 15, 2025. The Mehendi function is underway for Deepa and Arjun, but the police arrive to arrest Deepa for trafficking Mishka's son. Shona and Rupa stand up against Pritha's false accusation. Deepa reveals her escape plan to Joy when he and Anuja visit her. Wednesday, July 16, 2025. Deepa confirms in court that Veer is alive, prompting the judge to hold her in custody while the evidence is verified. Rupa hides Shona's letter to Sergio. Meanwhile, Mishka breaks out of jail and disguises herself while visiting her father to harm Deepa. Thursday, July 17, 2025. Rupa keeps watch over Mishka, who arrives in disguise as Shefali's aunt. Elsewhere, Parijat fakes a heart attack to dodge court proceedings. Mishka tries to harm the kids, while Pritha works on helping Victor flee to Singapore. Friday, July 18, 2025. The court finds Deepa innocent after Pritha admits to her crimes. Mishka attempts to kidnap Shona and Rupa. In a twist, Pritha injures Victor while trying to attack Deepa. Tabla finds Veer's Deepa shields the children from Mishka. Saturday, July 19, 2025. Deepa is crushed when Palak decides to take Veer with her. She then calls at the wedding and returns the ring to Arjun. Deepa later dreams about Sergio being in danger and his family begins receiving mysterious phone calls. Sunday, July 20, 2025. The police began investigating a suspicious package sent to Sergio. At the hospital, Sergio lashes out when the doctor tries to make him recall his past. Labonio urges Deepa to attend a puja for Sergio's safety. Deepa grows wary of Aka when he urgently asks for documents. Monday, July 21, 2025. Worried for Sergio, Deepa vows to find him, and Shona and Rupa insist on joining her search. Deepa tries to convince Tabla that Sergio is in Mohanpur. Back home, Labonio fumes at their absence. Tuesday, July 22, 2025. Deepa reaches Mohanpur with the kids, and Sergio saves Shona and Rupa from danger. The incident leaves Sergio unwell as he starts to remember their faces. Deepa later visits the police to learn more about his accident. Wednesday, July 23, 2025. Deepa arrives at the hospital hoping to find Sergio. The doctors are stunned when he suddenly uses his skills to treat a patient. Sergio makes a shocking escape, leaving the staff in panic. Deepa is shattered by the state she finds him in. Thursday, July 24, 2025. Deepa decides to dig into the truth about Sergio's condition. She meets the doctor at the mental hospital and later tends to Sergio after finding him in a broken state. Shona and Rupa grow worried when Deepa delays returning home. Friday, July 25, 2025. The doctor appreciates Deepa's ability to calm Sergio. Tabla panics while searching for Deepa and the kids. Meanwhile, the landlord enters Deepa's room and harasses her, prompting his wife to ask them to leave immediately. Saturday, July 26, 2025. Sergio anxiously waits for Deepa at the hospital. The landlord apologizes for his behavior. Deepa soothes Sergio when he tries to harm himself. Sergio grows jealous seeing her interact with other patients. Sunday, July 27, 2025. Pratik questions Joy and Anuja about calling the police for Shona and Rupa. The kids defend Ratan's wife during her arrest. Deepa chooses to hide Sergio's health condition. Sergio experiences flashbacks while watching a patient suffer. Monday, July 28, 2025. Shona and Rupa tear up when Sergio doesn't recognize them. A doctor starts to suspect Sergio's identity after witnessing his medical instincts. A nurse tips off the police about Deepa's hospital visit. Ermi learns about Sergio through Shona's call. Tuesday, July 29, 2025. Deepa becomes suspicious after overhearing a stranger's phone call, which leads her closer to the truth about Sergio's situation. She panics when she finds him missing. Soon, she bumps into Sergio's family, who have come searching for him. Sergio enjoys some warm moments with Shona and Rupa. Wednesday, July 30, 2025. Tister seeks forgiveness from Victor. Sergio bravely fights off goons to save the children. When he sees his family, he fails to recognize them. Labonio breaks down emotionally upon learning about his memory loss. Thursday, July 31, 2025. Labonio arranges for Sergio's safe return home. Deepa grows concerned about the threats looming over him and vows to uncover the truth. Sergio reacts violently after seeing Victor, while Ajay advises Deepa not to stay at Sergio's place. Thanks, guys. I will see you all in the next update of You Have My Heart. Thanks. Please, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.